Food Kitchen. In today's kitchen, I'm going to share with you a classic Chinese plate that is stir-fried chow mein. It is easy cook, only a few steps. Also, it is very nutritious. You see, there's meat and 3 vegetables and chow mein. And it is very tasty, delicious Chinese food. Okay, let's start to cook. The sauces and spices for this plate are soya sauce. This is a very light Chinese soya sauce. If you don't have this soya sauce, you can also use oyster sauce. That means you can use either soya sauce, either oyster sauce. Then salt, 2 green onions, a little bit ginger, and a little bit ground Sichuan peppers. If you don't have ground Sichuan peppers, you can use ground black pepper instead. Next step, let's cut the meat, pork tenderloin. Cut from the middle, then slice them to very thin slices. Next step, let's wash all the vegetables. Chop gingers and green onions. Next one, let's cut pepper, Napa, and mushroom. Next step, let's pre-process the noodles. We open the bag. And put these noodles in this clean, cold water to soup it. This process is just to separate the noodles and make sure they are not stay together. And make sure they are good length. They cannot be too long. If too long, it's not easy to stir fry. Okay, now they good. They all in good length. They all separated. Let's drink the water out. Heat 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil in the skillet over high heat. When the oil is warmer, add in the pork meat. Stir fry. Until all the meat change color to white. And the smell from it is good. Then add in green onions. Ginger. And the Sichuan peppers. Stir fry. About 20 seconds. Add in the peppers. Jalapeno hot peppers. Stir fry a little bit. Then add in mushrooms. Stir a little bit. Stir fry until the mushroom and the pepper is softer. Then add in 2 tablespoons soya sauce. And 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Stir fry. Then add in 1.5 cups of water. Then add in Napa. Make a Napa a layer. Then add in the Chow Mein noodles. The Chow Mein noodles is on the top of Napa. Now it's boiling. We turn the heat to the low heat. So cover the skillet. Then cook it about 5 minutes. Now 5 minutes already. Let's open the cover. Now let's do a turn over. Now cover it again. Cook another 5 minutes. 5 minutes already. Let's open the cover. Stir. Stir fry for about 2 minutes. Looking good. Let's try some first. Wow, delicious food. Wow, to see this 2 big plate. can serve 2 to 4 people. Thank you for your coming. See you next time.